Good morning, guys. So it's another rainy, cold day outside. It looks like, because it says it's only 13 degrees Celsius right now. I'm up. It's 8 o'clock, and I gotta start baking. I gotta make the muffins. Oh, yeah. I didn't sleep at all. Again. I was editing the video at 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm sorry if there are a lot of mistakes there. So yeah. I'm like a complete mess. Am I not? But hey. I'll be better during the day. I will wake up. Okay. Hope you don't mind, but I really need to go to the kitchen to start baking, and I know my mom already prepared things for her baking, and yay, baking day. No, better yet, picnic day. Good morning again. So, my work here is done. And that's something my mom's gonna make. They look great, don't they? My precious. Well, muffins are made, and now I'm in my room getting ready. I mean, just preparing the sleepover material. That is my toothbrush and stuff, and my pajama. And yeah. But the most important thing is I'm done with baking for today. Before lunch and before I go, I still have to do my workout, and today is 185 squats, rest in push-ups, 3-minute plank, and 120 crunches. So I'm gonna do that quickly now, then eat lunch, and then I have to go. Yes, you've guessed it, on my way to Ljubljana right now, and it smells so good because of all the sweets I have in my car. I hope I won't get hungry on the way there. Well, I gotta admit, I haven't finished the whole workout today. I ran out of time, but if possible, I'm gonna do the rest of it at my brother's place. And I even forgot to check what's the question of the day today. Yes, I'm losing things in this car, so I'm a complete mess. But you know, it's gonna be one of those texting goodbyes today, because when it's gonna be picnic time, I think it's gonna be mostly pictures, not a lot of video. So yeah, now I'm gonna focus on the road because it's wet. I mean, it's super wet. It's raining like crazy, and yeah, for that I need both hands. So I'll talk with you a little bit later when I'm gonna be probably in Ljubljana doing some shopping I need to do before I go to my brother's place. So yeah, in a short while. The only thing in Ljubljana that I hate is people in their cars, because when there's rain they forget how to drive it, and it's the same as when it's snowing. So yeah, let's just hope that red light, what else, just my luck. So yeah, people don't know how to drive the car when there's rain or snow in Ljubljana or anywhere else in Slovenia. I mean, there's just a couple of drops of the rain and they forgot how to drive the car, what are the rules on the road, everything. Ugh. One of my pet peeves are people in their cars. So yeah, as you can guess, I'm already in Ljubljana. I already did the shopping. I bought everything I needed to buy and some extra. Now I'm headed to my brother's place to help him prepare everything for the picnic. Yay! And it's still raining. You see? Rain, 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 rain. So, yay! Picture time. Oh, phone. Well guys, just a quick update. The picnic is doing great. People don't like to be filmed or taking pictures of or anything, so at least you got some pictures of the food we have, so yes. Well guys, since I don't know how long will this party last, because from the picnic it turned out to do a crazy party, I've decided to say a goodbye now. I forgot to take a picture of the question of the day, so I'm gonna write it after this usual goodbye that I have. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Good night.